Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a drop-down list in Excel spreadsheet. This will be a simple and short video. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video and see how easily we can create the drop-down list in Excel. So to understand this, I have taken example of fruits. In column B, I have written select fruit of your choice, and here I want to create a drop-down list that will contain the name of different fruits. So before we create the drop-down list, I will have to note down the names of all the fruits that I want to include in my list. I can do it somewhere over here, and I have created my list. So now that my list is ready and finalized, all I have to do is that I have to come here where I want my list to get populated, and then I have to go here on the top, and then I have to select data validation, which is right up here. In this drop down, you can just click on data validation, and then on the setting tabs, all you need to do is to select allow list, and if you want, you can just click on ignore blank, and this in cell drop down is must so that in the cell you will see the drop down. Okay, now this is important. It says the source of your list. All you have to do is click on here, and then it just converts into a small box, and you have to select all of these data. So I will left click my mouse, will hold it and will drag it to the entire range. I will leave my mouse, I will come back here, I will click here, and you can see that the source has been selected as I3 to I8. So I3 is this one and I8 is this one. So this entire data range has been selected. I will just click on OK. And yep, here is my list. Now you can give this list to anyone, and they just need to select the drop down for the choice of their fruits. If you want, you can just right click on this column and you can hide it. This way we can keep our sheet simple. How easily we can create a drop down list in Excel. Stay connected for more videos related to Excel. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.